Remember the cold last week? It's still there. Look at this. Wind chill advisories all the way as far south as the Mexican border. That's insane. Then out in front of all that cold is winter storm warnings. The winter storm warnings stretch from southern Texas, literally all the way down there, the bottom tip of Texas, Brownsville, all the way up into the tip of Maine. This is one storm. That's kind of crazy. And then back behind it comes our next push of moisture moving into our cold here across the inland northwest. It's kind of wild, but look at the snow from southern Texas all the way to the tip of Maine. This is not something we really ever see, and we are on the backside of it. We're on the changing weather pattern. So this week for us, we start with a winter storm warning. We have snow today. There's no doubt about that. But we have warmer weather in the forecast. We'll get to that in just a second because I gotta, wait to the end of the forecast to put the cherry on top. This morning, some light snow. You heard Dana Marie. It's just coming down in beautiful little flakes early this morning, and our temperatures are hanging out at 19 degrees, 18 in Coeur d'Alene, 18 up in Sandpoint. I think the farther north you go, the less snow you see, and for that reason, it's a winter weather advisory off to our north, but Spokane, Coeur d'Alene along Interstate 90, we are under a winter storm warning. If you're heading south on 95 or 195, expect some very, very heavy snow and reduced visibility as you get some blowing down in the Palouse. You can see we're in between little bands of snow. Here comes our next one. We are going to see a little more snow develop, but here's our bigger swath of moisture, and that one is set to arrive here in the next hour or so. It's already coming down in the Palouse, so that snow is going to continue. Notice the bigger push of it arrives here in the next couple of hours. That keeps us in heavier snow through the morning commute. Then once again, as this is looking, it's not one of those ones where it's just steady snow. We catch a little bit of a break and then we'll get another push of moisture, and that's what's going to take us through the day. So just because the snow lightens up a bit doesn't mean you are done with it. Not until tomorrow do we start to see some of that moisture move out, but it definitely lingers. And we could see some isolated snow showers even here in Spokane. All said and done, it's quite a bit. Remember last week I showed this map and it wasn't everywhere. This time it is. 4 to 6 inches total for us here in Spokane. Similar over in Coeur d'Alene. You head down into the Palouse, you're better part of a half a foot, maybe even more. So it's pretty widespread with this snow and temperatures remaining below freezing for us today. But I did promise a warm up, so let's talk about it. Today it's snow. Temperatures stay below freezing, so what falls sticks and it sticks around. Tomorrow, it's a few isolated snow showers, but later on in the day, we should see those temperatures climb up to freezing or slightly above. By Wednesday, we're back in the mid-30s. If we dry out briefly, we'll have the chance of snow late Thursday. That kind of lingers into Friday. But look at what happens this coming weekend. I know it's far away, and I never try to emphasize what's happening 5, 6, 7 days out, but it's temps back up near 40 degrees Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Yeah, Jeremy, I'm thinking that means maybe by next weekend we'll see a lot of this snow melt off if the forecast sticks.
If the forecast sticks, but there is more snow in the forecast, so it's one of those ones where I think we could hang on to it in some areas, grassy surfaces. I think it'll be gone on the roads by Wednesday.